What's up? It's Acos, and I have a brand new video for you. Actually, I'm going to show you something that I've never shown before. Behind the scenes, I'm going to show you how to read an Amazon KDP ads report. Why? So that you can pick out and harvest the winning keywords, the most profitable keywords, take them out of the report and use them in future ads so that you can scale your KDP business and pay less and earn more. Okay, so you're gonna want to watch this video until the very end. Check out the links below because I have a lot of tutorials and guides down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Okay, cool. Now let's find those winning keywords, okay? Using your ads on the Amazon KDP network, okay? So what you wanna do is on your Amazon advertising dashboard, you wanna come on over here to the left and click on the reports section under campaigns, okay? You're gonna click on create report, okay? What you're gonna do is leave this as is, sponsored products, okay? Report type, you wanna keep it at search term. Unit time unit, keep it at summary. Report period, I like to keep it at last 30 days, okay? Now for name, you can name it whatever you want for your own record keeping purposes, okay? So name it whatever you want. And for schedule time, keep it on now, okay? And then you wanna click run report. Once you're done doing that, you will have a report ready in seconds or maybe minutes. You wanna click on the download button here. You'll get an Excel sheet, really important to remember. Now you can open up your Excel sheet with Google Drive for free. They have an Excel piece of software you can use, or you can use another open source software like I do, completely free. I use OpenOffice as well, okay? Let's go through this report column by column. I'm gonna show you exactly how to find those winning keywords that you're later gonna take and add to a brand new campaign and only target those winning keywords so you can make more money and spend less, okay? So column A is, everything here is self-explanatory. Column A is the start date of your campaign. Column B is the end date of your campaign. Column C is the group that it's in, not really important. I don't spend any time on it. I don't see why you should. Column D is the currency you're paying in. I spend money in USD, dollars. And also it shows you how much you make as well in dollars. Column E is campaign name. This is of course for record keeping. It shows you the exact ads that you spent money on. Column F, this is an important one. Column F are the keywords. If you did manual bidding, mind you, the keywords that you actually added that you actually wanted to display ads on, okay? So whatever keywords you added will display here in column F, okay? Now column G is a match types, the different types of matches that came up or that your ad displayed on for the keywords you added, okay? Now there's three kinds. I'm gonna go over these three different match types right now using a very simple to understand example. Let's say we have a keyword we want to go after. Our keyword is fish coloring book. Why? Because we have a fish coloring book. So we target exact fish coloring book. Now the keyword fish coloring book will display our ad if someone actually types in the keyword fish coloring book. No more, no less, right? The keyword remains as is, and our ad will display for it, okay? Phrase takes our keyword, okay? I love phrase because I discover new keywords with the phrase match. Phrase will take our keyword and it will add keywords before and after our keyword, right? So let's make another example. Fish coloring book is our root keyword. Let's say a phrase match would be fish coloring book for adults, okay? So for adults is added after fish coloring book. You can also say cute fish coloring book is another phrase match because it added the word cute in front or before our keyword. Or it could be both, right? Cute fish coloring book for kids, right? So it added keywords in front and after our keyword, giving us a phrase match. Okay, very easy to understand. Of course, it targets our demographic, our market. It also reveals new keywords. That's why I love phrase. Now, broad is a loose interpretation. of our keyword. So again, our keyword is fish coloring book, okay? Broad match would be, let's say someone types in red snapper fishing book, red snapper fishing book. Our ad might display for that keyword red snapper fishing book. Why? Because red snapper is a type of fish. Fishing book is loosely connected to coloring book because they're both books, right? So of course, this is not our demographic, this is not our market, but nevertheless, our ad might display for that broad match, okay? So again, you wanna focus on phrase, because Amazon ads are so cheap compared to the other ad platforms out there, I will spend money on broad just to see if I find something else. But most of the time, the winners are phrase match, okay? Because again, it focuses in on, excuse me, I can't talk, on your keyword, and it adds new keywords to that phrase, right? So column H is by far the most important column in this report. This is a column where you're mining. This is a column where you're gonna find your winning keywords. This is a column that your customer, okay, shows you their search terms, right? So here we have column H is customer search term. This is where we find those new keywords, okay? So we're gonna come back to this in a little bit. As you can see, I've narrowed this down because I don't wanna reveal my money keywords. My money keywords are in this column. Really important to understand. And when you create these reports, you're gonna safeguard column H. You're gonna prize this column because this is where you're gonna find those keywords that you're gonna create those ads later down the road for. Okay. So we have impressions, and self-explanatory. The number of times your ad will display, clicks, how many people actually click through, and CTR is your click-through rate. Okay, how many times people click through compared to how many times they saw your ad, right? So let's say let's say number 4 here, we have an impression count of 14 clicks, 3 clicks, and we got a 21% click-through rate. Okay, very simple to understand. Now we go to cost per click. This is, of course, this is the amount where we paid for the click. Okay, for each click. In this example, is 32 cents. Okay, and because we had 3 clicks, we paid out 96 cents to Amazon, right? And this yielded 1 sale. You can see here, Amazon made $7.89. Okay, I got a royalty from this, but Amazon made $7.89. Okay, now if I go to inside of my book here and I show you $7.89 means I get a royalty of $2.58. That's how much I make every time I sell a book. But we have to factor in, ad cost. So we know that I paid, let me blow that up. I paid 96 cents. So I deduct that from $2.58, which gives me a profit of $1.62. Okay, and what is ad cost? Ad cost is total ad spend over total sales, and that gives us this number, right? 12.2%, right? That's the ad cost. Okay, so the lower this is, the better it is. Okay, so this is a profitable keyword for me, right? I spent 96 cents and I made, once again, $1.62. And I go down this list and I can find more keywords like it, right? This is a really good ad cost right here. Only 4%, right? I forget what book this is, but basically I'm making money here as well. And here as well. And here as well. And here as well. I want to harvest these keywords and make sure my A cost is low and that I'm actually I'm making more than I spend on the ad. Okay. Another metric is ROAS or Roas, and this is the inverse of A cost. Actually, I don't want you to think too much on ROAS right now. I want you to focus on ACOS, okay? But just for definition's sake, ROAS is the opposite of ACOS. So if ACOS is total ad spend over total sales, ROAS is total sales over total ad spend, okay? But for right now, if you're a newbie, I want you to focus purely or solely on ACOS, okay? And you want to keep this number as low as possible and pick out those winning keywords. You want to go back to column, where is that? Okay. You want to go back to column H. Okay, so this keyword here, I'm not going to reveal it. This keyword here is a profitable keyword. Okay, and so are the other keywords down here. Okay, so that's how you find those winning keywords. And now you want to create a whole new ad and just target those keywords and make sure those keywords make more money for you than you actually spend on. Okay, be good, take care. If you have any questions, make sure you let them. Make sure you drop them down below, and I'll get to them ASAP. Be good, take care, bye-bye.